to the port and take pictures.
Yes.
You just pay 10 pesos for the entrance. So that you have remembrance from Maya Port.
Yeah.
And the next will be Hagnaya Port.
Yeah.
Bantayan Port, always port.
Always port.
How much is sorry? Ha? Di, Cebu. Cebu. Nga, kani inherited na nga property sa akong wife. Nga, katong pandemic among i-develop.
Oh, that's nice. Very lucky.
Back to reality. Duha naman na yung mga bata na ko, and then they are all
Very nice.
professional. My eldest son is a doctor, a orthopedic surgeon.
Very good.
And now in back from Australia, now back in Cebu. And my daughter is a pediatrician but still in Sydney, Australia.
Ah.
Oh, very good. So
Yeah.
you've been to Australia many times?
Yeah,
Ah, good.
many from Melbourne, Perth, then Sydney.
Yeah. We're from Tasmania.
Oh, the fishing ground. How are you, mate?
The very cold one.
Yeah, cold and
Yeah. Now it's
here also.
it's winter there now.
In winter also. Maybe.
Book now.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay then.
thank you.
Thank you.
Australia.
Huh?
You might see you in Australia.
Yeah, of course. We have each other. I've been there for over a month.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully, because we are just renewing our visa because it's expired.
Ah,
And then yesterday, you come from the city for a biometric.
Ah.
And then I'm biometric, we'll be waiting for the visa to approve.
Ah.
And then fly out.
yeah. Good.
Okay.
Okay,
See you.
thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Come to the port of Maya. Yeah, picture here. We'll stop here. Well, and get that in the background.
Yeah, we just go round. Round. Stop sa likod sini.
Or even here. Here.
Yeah. Stand next to the bike.
I should go the other way. So the bike's leaning the other way. Just have them on a bit of an angle. Okay?
Are you ready?
Yeah. Doesn't matter here. Huh?
Ipakuha na mo itong pwede magpapicture ninyo gamitin na mong cellphone ba? Kuhain niyo, palihog. They want us to see the video and take the
Yeah.
magkakaroon sa mundo niya, pakuha na mo itong for the baya.
Huh? Ah.
Pakuha na mo itong inyo.
Yeah. We'll get back around.
Wait a minute because there's a phone. Let's go around here and take a video.
Thank you.
Look at that, the picture, look at that picture. Oh yeah. Kay atong isa kay
Oh, yeah.
kuan, klaro. Para.
Ah, yeah. Salamat. One, two, three. Let's go. Well, we got our happy snaps out of the way, thanks to the lovely folks down there. They were very accommodating. Yeah, it was good. Nice little spot. We're going to head now to Hagnaya port, which is on the west coast of Cebu, and we're going to catch the ferry from there to Santa Fe Port on Bantayan Island. So that's our next ride for today. We'll probably have quite a few episodes out of this one. Look at the lizard. My word, I don't know if you saw that, it wasn't very clear. There was a big lizard just about to come out onto the road and he decided to turn back around again. It was probably about 2 foot long. Yeah, come out for a bit of morning sun. Not a good place to be with the traffic. Well, second night of accommodation, done and dusted. It was pretty basic, but it was clean. Didn't have any Wi-Fi, but we had Wi-Fi in the restaurant next door, which was good. And it was pretty good class restaurant too. Charged all the batteries. We're heading off now down to the port where we're going to catch the ferry to Bantayan Island. take that turn off to the right, it'll take you to Dapalong Port, which is right at the top of Cebu. It's right at the middle of it, right at the top. I reckon if you stood at the port and looked out across the border, the next island is a little ways away, but a couple of little ones around the place. But the next major island in front of you would be Masbate Island, which might be another one we might go and check out next time around. Might go head up through Leyte and head across there. But yeah, it's another one put on the list.